Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 10th, page number 22. Today our topic is causes of the military takeover of 12th October 1999. इसको बिल्कुल आपने शॉर्टली इसमें से आपने कॉजेस में जस्ट थोड़ा सा आपने करना है कि 12 अक्टूबर 1999 द चीफ आर्मी ऑफ स्टाफ जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ सस्पेंडेड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ओवरथ्रू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर मियां मोहम्मद नवाज शरीफ एंड डिसॉल्व द नेशनल एंड प्रोविजनल असेंबलीज. The Prime Minister Mian Mohammad Nawaz Sharif decision of appointing General Ziauddin Chief of Army Staff was also declared unconstitutional. Later on, Supreme Court in a decision gave General Pervez Musharraf government a period of 3 years so he could bring constitutional and social reforms in the country. तो इसमें जो उनके कब्ज़े की जो वजूहत थी, क्यों कब्ज़ा किया, इसमें हम थोड़ी सी डिटेल में आपको मैं बताऊंगी. Judiciary executive tension started between the judiciary and Nawaz government in August 1997 when Parliament passed a bill with majority of establishing special courts for the speedy trial. Removal of 58(2)(b) and political tension. When Nawaz Sharif came into power for the second time, clause 58(2)(b) of the constitution was removed for giving the right to dissolve the National Assembly to the president through the 13th constitutional amendment. Washington Declaration. There was a clash between Pakistan and India in Kargil in May 1999. On the advice of American President Bill Clinton, Nawaz Sharif visited America and signed the ceasefire communique. It was called Washington Declaration. That a nation and army showed a deep sense of despair and anger over this step. So these were the some causes of military takeover of 12th October 1999. So next. Our topic is the system of devolution of power initiated by Pervez Musharraf with particular emphasis on local self-government. So there is a short question: what is meant by local government? A government by the local people who formulate and implement domestic policies at the local level is called the local self-government. Historical background of local government. Viceroy Lord Ripon systems of the local government. Viceroy Lord Ripon enforced the local government system through an act in 1884 in South Asia and established the local boards and districts in the tehsil levels. Their responsibility was to solve the problem of local people, but these institutions failed to solve the problem because they had neither the power nor the financial resources. President Ayub Khan Basic Democracy System. President Ayub Khan issued an order for basic democracies on 27 October 1959, which introduced a system of local government in Pakistan. It was called Basic Democracy System. Its main aim was to transfer the power at the lower level through their own representatives. This system could not bring any substantial changes and came to an end. The system of local government was not even successful in the Bhutto reign. General Ziaul Haq Local Government System. When Ziaul Haq came to power, the local government system was enforced again and the election of local government were conducted twice. The system was established on a firm basis and it kept on progressing step by step. The majority of people could not get reasonable benefit from this system. Local government plan of General Pervez Musharraf 2000. General Pervez Musharraf promised to bring visible changes in the system of local government soon after coming to power on October 12, 1999. The power was to be transferred to the lower people of the public. This local government in Pakistan divided in 3 parts: union government, tehsil government and district government. So main objective of local government was transfer of powers, decentralization of powers, transfer of resources, participation of public. He wants to ensure the active participation of public in local affairs for the resolution of problems. It wants to transfer state resources at lower level, that is union council, tehsil and district council. So union government have been established removing every kind of discrimination between rural and urban areas. They have been established on the basis of population. They have the following infrastructure: Nazim and Naib Nazim. Union council board. So Union Council Board elected the Nazim for the same panel. Both of them must be a matriculate. People elected 13 members of Union Council, among which were 1 Nazim and 9 Nazim, 4 male general councillors, 4 female general councillor, 2 male farmers labor councillors, 2 female farmers or labor councillors, and 1 minority councillor. So, Nazim and Naib Nazim must be a matriculate. They have the same power at the union council level that a Nazim and Naib Nazim of Tehsil or district level have. The duties of union council. The duties of union council include the security arrangement within its boundary, making the annual development program for the area, imposing taxes at the local level, and solving the criminal and civil cases of small nature and land and family dispute. Union council. Um, Now there is Tehsil government. Local government system introduced by General Pervez. It had the following infrastructure: Tehsil Nazim, Naib Tehsil Nazim, Tehsil Council, and Tehsil administration. Tehsil Nazim is the head of Tehsil, while Naib Tehsil Nazim is the head of Tehsil Council. Tehsil Nazim provide the political leadership, maintain law and order, um, and monitor the implementation over the project approved by the Tehsil Council. It is also his responsibility to get the budget presented and passes in order to provide healthcare, education, and facilities to the people. In his absence, Naib Tehsil Nazim act as Tehsil Nazim. So, Naib Nazim and of all the union council of the Tehsil were included in the Tehsil council. 33% of seats in the Tehsil council were for women, 5% seats for farmers and laborers, and 5% seats were reserved for the minorities. Tehsil Nazim was the head of Tehsil government. Tehsil municipal officer TMO worked under the Tehsil Nazim. 4 Tehsil officers worked under the Tehsil municipal officer and supervised the affairs and of the different departments. These departments include finance, budget and account, record of land, revenue, planning, rural and urban development, municipal coordination and its stages, etc. Then, so this is Tehsil government, and it is long question number of book exercise. Long question number 4: Tehsil Council, Tehsil Intizamiya, Tehsil Nazim and Naib Nazim.